Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be organizing my refrigerator, and I'm also going to have some new home updates for you guys. So yeah, make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss those new home updates. But I definitely need to organize my refrigerator because it's looking a hot diggity dog mess. Okay, this video is in collaboration with two of my good friends, Ryan, Michelle, and Tam. So I've done collabs with both of them before, so if you are new here and you don't know who they are, this is the perfect time to go ahead and check out their channel after you get through watching my video. But they both upload home decor inspiration videos and cleaning motivation videos, so I definitely know that you guys are going to enjoy their content. So make sure you head on over to their channels and make sure you tell them that Ebony sent you, okay? But I am just going to stop all my rambling and let's just get into today's video. All right guys, so I went to the commissary and I did get some stuff from Sam's. So I got the boys some applesauce, and I got them the thick and fluffy Eggo waffles. They freaking love those. Got Micah some noodles. He's still such a picky eater. So and I got them these also. So like I said, they like the apple and banana, so that's why I get this one, and I can only find this one at the commissary. I can never find it at Sam's. I got some pistachios. I got 2 bags of the roasted and salted ones, and then I got the barbecue ones. I got some Cedar's hummus. So I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. So normally I would get the Roots hummus, you know, the sriracha and mango one, but Mom's Organic doesn't carry that brand of hummus anymore, so I'm a little salty about it. So now I gotta go all the way to freaking Whole Foods to get it, and that's a drive. So, but the next best thing is this roasted pepper hummus from the commissary. So this is a really good brand too. So if y'all see this brand, it's a good brand too. It's not as good as Roots, but it's pretty good. I got 2 bags of spinach, and I got some vegetable broccoli slaw. I got some, these are for Jeremy. I think he eats these like kind of just like to snack on, but these are the just grilled chicken strips, and I got him 3 things of steak. I also got some, I got a pineapple, some more peanut butter, some breadcrumbs, some tomato sauce. I got 2 of the roasted garlic, and I got 2 of the chicken broth. Got some avocado oil, some grapes. I add these to my smoothies to make them, you know, just a little bit sweeter. And I got some avocado ranch, some sour cream and onion veggie chips, some Cheez-Its for Micah, Gushers, and I got me some more monk fruit sugar. Picked up some bananas, some more pasta, spaghetti pasta. Got this big Torani, I got this from Sam's. Got Micah and now some more Pop-Tarts. Got some wheat thins for myself. I love snacking on wheat thins. Got Micah some more Lunchables. Obviously him and Now be killing them together. They don't last that long. And I got them some more Honest juices, and I got those from Sam's. Picked up some more turkey sausage. Got some Italian cheese, some wraps, some spinach wraps, some vegetable for vegetable soup, and I got some apples, which Niall, you know, yeah, he already got into them. And then I picked up some meat. Obviously, you guys know, like, hamburger meat is really cheap. Not hamburger meat, chicken and just in general, a lot of meats are just cheaper at the commissary. So got 2 chicken breasts, and I got some bread, some bell peppers, grapefruit, and I got 6 of the green goodness drinks. Now I love them, so I would get the big one instead of just like the individual ones all the time. And then from Sam's, I got some water. I got the Sam's water and I got the essential water. But that is pretty much everything I got at Sam's and the commissary. So I'm just gonna be putting everything up. Alright guys, so this is what my refrigerator looks like now at its current state. So yeah, gonna get in here and organize, because yeah, it's definitely driving me crazy.
All in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Alright, so the refrigerator is looking clean now. So now I can start to put my food back in and organize.
I just can't stop thinking about you. Sure, yeah. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you're telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. places, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a cuppa, get to your clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving a weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. Cool way you telling me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lift it up? Why I like when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real.
I'm going to make me a quick smoothie because I'm pretty hungry, but I don't really want to cook anything, so I'm just gonna make me a quick smoothie.
Babe, been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Ay, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself.
Okay, y'all, so I was waiting on these to come. So now that I got them, I'm gonna be putting like my meats in these containers, and then I just wanted to have like an extra like containers just like for leftovers and stuff. So these are the containers, and they look really nice. And I think that my meats, you know, or anything like extra that I want to put in these containers is just going to flow well in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to get these washed, and I'm going to put our meats in these glass containers.
No cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind?
So I went on Amazon and I got this egg store. This is where I'm gonna put my eggs in. I think you just like slide the eggs in there and it's just easier, you know, it's just easy for them to come out. And then I also got these containers off of Amazon. I think these look really nice, really aesthetically pleasing. I got these so I could put like the mayonnaise and the ranch and everything like that in. So just gonna go ahead and get started.
In this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling.
So I realized that I have plenty of these bins, so I'm going to put all of my Hello Fresh order in these clear bins. Alright, so this is what the refrigerator is looking like now, and it's definitely looking better than what it looked like before. It's definitely more organized. And aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, I didn't take all of the, you know, condiments out, even though I do have enough bottles. I just don't want to forget, like, you know, the barbecue sauce until maybe I might get labels. I don't know yet. Kind of like how I have like my creamers and stuff. So yeah, I'll probably get some labels so I can put those condiments in those bottles too. And then this is what this is looking like. So yeah, I'm glad this shelf is empty because it lets me know that I can, you know, I need to get some more, like, you know, pesto or, you know, stuff like that. And this is what the refrigerator is looking like. So it's definitely more organized. So yeah, I'll have to get another day to get my freezer.
Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the someone who's got the let me go, let me out, but time is.
Remember I told you guys that I need to get Niall's toys all situated, that it's that it does the trick and that it helps out and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. But here's one basket. So this is the large one, and then here's the small one. And you guys hear Niall, that's just real life. But this is the small one, and I got these baskets from World Market, and I will leave everything linked down below in my description box. And then I'll also leave down like the dupe, or I'm not the dupe, these are the dupes. The baskets are definitely more affordable than the other baskets that we saw. I'm going to try to see how I'm gonna do Niall's toys. Obviously the I don't know, I might leave his wooden toys up here, but everything else definitely is about to go. This is what it's looking like. So I put majority of his toys that he's always playing with in here. I didn't put anything in here. I'm thinking about maybe later I'll put like blankets or something in there. But for right now, this is exactly what it's gonna be looking like. I need to take that tag off, but yeah. Christmas is right around the corner, so obviously this is gonna change because my tree is gonna go right here. I kind of wish they had these baskets in black because I would love them in black, but don't get me wrong, I like the natural tone of it, but I think I would really like it a little bit more if they were black. I want to find some black ones, but I couldn't find any. So if you guys know where some black ones at of these baskets and you've seen them somewhere, please let your girl know. But this is what it's looking like. Definitely more aesthetically pleasing on the eye, you know, when you look over here in this corner. So yeah, this is just what it's looking like right now. Okay, so I got this book off of Amazon, and this is The White Company, a London book. It's very, very pretty, very aesthetically pleasing when you look through the book. Gives you tons and tons of inspiration. So pretty. But yeah, so I got this book to have some like contrast with, because you know this book is black and then the, you know, sand is black too. So I wanted to put some type of, you know, contrast in between it. That way you know there's something else there. You know what I'm saying? So, but I can, this book, the Homemaker's book, it's a linen texture. And when you take the cover off of the White Company book, it's also a nice linen texture. It's really, really nice. So I don't know, I think I might just leave the cover off, and I'm gonna put the little sleeve in my like decor band. This is really, really pretty, really nice, really, really nice. It does bring in some, you know, some more texture into the space because this is, you know, they're both linen. So I purchased a mirror off of Amazon. So now Jeremy is going to take it out of the box and he's going to put that up.
Alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love.
Okay, so this is the mirror. So I feel like it looks really, really nice in this area now. So I feel like this area is complete now because, you know, it just looks really, really good. If you didn't see my last video, I added that light and I added this bench right here and that plant, and I was waiting on my mirror to come in to complete the space over here. This mirror is 22 by 65, and I will definitely link it down below. So if you guys want to, you know, get it for yourself, it's a really nice size mirror. So I really like it. Makes the room look bigger than what it is. I think it definitely elevated my living room area. So yeah, just to recap. So I put a mirror right there and everything. So I have a mirror right there. And then I have this big mirror over here. It's kind of elevated the space. I will be getting new curtains soon. That will be in a upcoming video as well. So yeah guys, I'm just elevating a lot of spaces in our home. I'm definitely trying to focus on pieces that are like collective kind of like pieces and not just putting decor there just, you know, to have decor. I'm really thinking about and being intentional with my home decor pieces now, as we won't be in this home forever, but us being military, we will move again, and in our next home we are getting, you know, built, so that's like another journey. But yeah, so I'm really intentional with the pieces, but this is what the area, like I said, is looking like.
I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates. Something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby.
You guys, so I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and it gave you some home decor inspiration. And you know, like I said, if you just love home update videos like this, I do have more home update videos coming your way. Like I said, we have a lot to update around here, so if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to check out Ryan and Tam's videos. Blessings to you all, and I will talk to you in my next video.